centralized versus decentralized risk management. The framing of centralized versus decentralized is actually the wrong question. It implies you have to pick one. The reality is that different types of risk require fundamentally different approaches, and forcing everything into one model is where most organizations go wrong. That's why ERM is such a naive and artificial concept. The more mature an organization is in risk management, the more different kinds of risk management it has. Enterprise-wide uniformity is not a sign of sophistication. It is a sign that someone sold you a framework that ignores how risk or decision-making actually works. Some risks genuinely need to be managed at the aggregate level. Credit risk, market risk, foreign exchange exposure, these have markets and instruments specifically designed for aggregate management. You need to understand your total credit exposure, your overall currency position, your portfolio level concentration. Aggregating those makes complete sense. The mitigation is designed at that level, but other risks have no meaningful aggregate mitigation. Water pollution legislation, a specific supplier's financial fragility, a regulatory change in one jurisdiction, project delay, supply chain interruptions. These require deep investigation at the individual level. Aggregating them into a corporate risk score destroys the very information you need to manage them. None of that survives aggregation. The practical implication is straightforward. Build a small central function that handles genuinely aggregate risks, provides tools and methodology, coordinates across units, and satisfies the auditors. Then embed risk analysis capability directly into the business units, procurement, operations, finance, project management, where the actual decisions are made every day, not as a reporting line, as a capability that lives inside those processes. The test is always the same. Who is making the decision this risk affects? That person needs the analysis. If they are in a business unit, the analysis needs to be there too, not summarized, not filtered, not translated into a color code by a central team 3 weeks later.